Crane accidents like the one in Sochi happen when load limits are ignored. Always know your crane's capacity and double-check before lifting. It's not just smart, it's life-saving. Two massive steel tanks 53 meters long and 8 meters in diameter were transported from Steinport to Chemelot thanks to strong community support, cleared roads, and solid safety planning. The journey through Irvine was smooth and truly impressive. Roaring engine, tires clawing at shifting sand, and a daring driver attacking the steep dune. Will the truck reach the summit, or will the sand claim another victim? The Bucyrus Erie 2570W, a 1978 walking dragline, with a 360-foot mast and a 90 to 95 cubic yard bucket, was dismantled in Indiana using controlled blasting charges to ensure a safe, controlled collapse.
Fuck. Oh,
How's he going to explain that truck to his boss?
Jesus.
Seems like someone's taking off-road adventures a bit too far. Wind energy's future depends on feats like this, moving colossal turbine components. These oversized loads demand precision, careful planning, specialized trailers, route clearances, and timing to guarantee safety and efficiency. It's logistics as an art form, engineering at its finest. Picture this, you're behind the wheel, ready to unload when suddenly, flames burst out the driver's quick instincts, save it in time. The trail definitely knows what's up, but it feels like people keep testing their luck.
Oh my God.
A Valtra tractor valiantly tries to rescue a daft cattle truck, but things go south, fast. A classic case of good intentions, poor execution. Sometimes the wrong tools turn a rescue into a real struggle. Imagine walking down the street when a bus spins out of control and then explodes right in front of you. Terrifying, right? But don't worry, it's not real. Just a brilliantly crafted student project showcasing their special effects skills. Ever seen a wall taken down by a team of excavators? It's like watching a construction ballet, each machine moving in perfect sync, turning destruction into art. Dust flies, walls crumble, and the job gets done. Can you imagine a structure standing tall for over 50 years, coming down in just minutes? That's exactly what happened at Alson Brothers Farm, the silo's final chapter executed with incredible precision and power. At the Farmers Merchants Picnic in Ada, Ohio, the Altered Semis event showcased trucks modified for ultimate performance. These custom rigs are built to impress, blending raw power with innovative design. What are you doing out, ladies and gentlemen? Motoring Pass in Lesotho. Test even the best drivers with its steep descents and tight curves, demanding precision and focus at every turn. Feed Ship's 55-meter Project 704 had its technical launch at the Gower Rock Shipyard in Almere. This milestone kicks off sea trials and final outfitting for the luxury yacht, showcasing Feed Ship's world-class craftsmanship. Oh, that's way over the top. This bridge is a ticking time bomb. Tension hangs heavy as trucks cautiously cross the Suziman Bridge in Ancash, Peru. A colossal 70-ton load, stretching 15.8 meters wide, slowly rolls down the road on SPMT trailers, navigating South Africa's roads while ensuring every inch is clear for its towering 17.5-meter height. Looks like that truck's seen better days. Transporting 39.5-meter steel beams requires careful planning and expert handling with a total truck length of around 45 meters. And a beam weight of 17 tons, this oversized load demands precise coordination and strict adherence to road regulations to prevent accidents and ensure safety. Man, that truck drifting on snow in Bosnia is a disaster waiting to happen, but it sure looks incredible. Ever heard of the drivers in Carrara's marble quarries? They're incredible, maneuvering massive trucks on impossibly narrow roads. They make sure Italy's marble treasures reach the world. These unsung heroes are the backbone of a global legacy respect. Room Foundering's technicians completed the foundation work at Sceldo Quartiere using screw piles for the De Bruyere Bond project. The foundation machine was safely loaded onto a low loader provided by Power Heavy Transport, escorted by 2 vehicles. The transport showcased the coordinated efforts essential for managing oversized loads. A massive truck show bringing together the best in heavy transport. Brouwer's War, Special Transport, and Mack were right there showing off their incredible machines at Special Transport Day. These trucks are more than feats of engineering. They're a celebration of skill and power. Oversized loads, Mac Alice says, if it fits, we haul it. But they don't just wing it, Every route is carefully surveyed for width, curves, and obstacles. This is a masterclass in transportation. Experience Mad hoisting a 65,000-pound container. Things went wrong. The spreader twisted, pushing the machine back. Pressure built on the mast, but quick action prevented a tip-over. Wow. Reversing a superlink isn't just driving, it's an art form. What a thrilling attempt. The Land Cruiser tried to climb the steep 5.5-meter incline, but the driver faced an unexpected challenge, a quick stop for repairs. And that's all part of the adventure at the Maitland Four-Wheel Drive Show. The 797F mining truck and the massive cat shovel in China Coal, Peru, are prime examples of heavy-duty machines built for large-scale mining operations, designed for maximum efficiency in hauling and excavation. These giants handle extreme workloads with ease. I've seen frustration take many forms, but Marvin's Bulldozer rampage was something else. Watching him tear through the town was shocking. Targeted destruction, not mindless rage. It's hard not to wonder what could have been done to prevent him from reaching this breaking point. Hope you enjoyed the chaos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.